looking at a medium pond in here, coming off of that edge about 6 feet. He's got this bar area going in. This is our entrance, great access. Has a fire hydrant. We're gonna add that in, but we're gonna come out about 14 feet, out about 12, bump it in and out, come off of this edge about 6 feet, have a waterfall back over in this corner, probably a hydrant somewhere over there. We'll move a couple of these bushes around. This area is a little lower, so we'll bring the grade up so we're level, or we'll cut that down a little bit, have to play with it. But great access, we'll be able to get in here. John took the track off the truck, that's what I'm saying. It wasn't John, I think it was Tony, but track off the machine came off, which of course is the way we start the week, even though it's Wednesday, so short week. But I will give John props. It is 9:41, I don't know what time he got here. Maybe he got here at 5 a.m., but the track is back on and ready to go at 9:41. We're gonna have a medium size 10 by 14 pond with a waterfall back there. We're gonna take out this lawn area within this space. We are gonna do one of the things I think I've talked about a couple of times that I finally found a client for. I wanted to integrate a water feature that has a fire hydrant. So I got a fire hydrant, but I wanted to integrate it in so it spilled water into the pond. I've tried for like 4 years really, that's 3 years. 4 years to get one done, but haven't been able to have someone do it with me. He's a firefighter, so I told him, I'm like, I got something for you. Told him what I wanted to do, and he was like, sold. So we're gonna get working here. We are down a guy. Actually, it's funny, we're down Tony, who is our firefighter. He got injured on the line of duty. Hopefully it's minor. I think it was just smoke inhalation and exhaustion, but he was out fighting fires this past couple of days while he was off with us. So he's not with us. We also have a new guy, Wilson, with us. So let's get working. Progress is made. Getting our skimmer in, getting our line for plumbing, again the trench line all the way around to the back. Our first shelf is in and cut. Truck is dumping all the grass and soil. We've got our next shelf cut around the edges, just ready to dig it out, but we've got to get the machine back in here to take all that soil out. Waterfall is going to be over there. Our boulders are all dropped. Got some nice big meaty things in here, like that piece right there, like those couple. So we're gonna dig all this out. End of the day, it's a hot one, but we got this hole dug and prepped. Plumbing line is run. We've got just laying our overflow that's going from here down into there. The guys got to dig in. Plumbing lines around the back. Skimmer is set. Biofall's not, but we're going to work on that tomorrow. Going to get liner and underlayment in the morning. Going to start getting this thing rocked in and put this thing together. So it's after lunch and we've made serious progress. The bottom shelf is rocked, most of the second shelf is rocked, and we've got parts of the third shelf done as well. Got part of our fish cave in over there. We've got to adjust and tweak that a bit. And then we have to continue. We're setting some of the bigger boulders that are going up the top edge right now. John's getting those backfilled and ready for it. And the guys are getting gravel in for him to use. End of day 2. Did pretty good. Almost the entire thing's rocked in. Skimmer's done. Plumbing is in. Our boulders are all set all the way up through this. We just have one to set in here with our big dive stone that's somewhere. This whole set is done. Our fish cave back there is done. We have another big stone there that you could sit and put your feet in the shallow water there. We have our waterfall to build back there. Some stacked slate work over there. Tomorrow we're going to get the lights all in. Plumbing will all get done, and then our last piece over there is gonna get done. So I've been talking about it for months now, and here it is, our fire hydrant. It's like we need to have a puppy around to go pee on this thing for us. Anyone have a puppy that we could borrow to pee on our fire hydrant? Because this thing's gonna end up in the pond tomorrow. Right over there. Let's see what this thing looks like. We also have to figure out how we're securing this thing. This thing is a friggin' beast.